Okay, Gohan, there's also an inside. All right, I'll give it my all in this ranking challenge.
You can fight in a tournament and earn money.
Now, we'll have you participate in the martial arts tournament to earn a little zenny. The competition attracts the best fighters around. If you go out of bounds, you lose, so be careful. How many entrants are there gonna be? Are you ready? Well then get out there!
Those who wish to enter, this way, please. Our next challenger has arrived! Now it's time for the World Martial Arts Competition! This is a 3-round tournament. Our judges have made the last-minute decision that you will be teaming up with another player. All right then, this is the start of the first round. Contestant Goku versus contestant Raditz. This...
How dare you defy your brother?
My name is Goku, and I'm from Earth. Are you ready? Begin!
Rats! What? Idiot!
Winner! Contestant Raditz!
You lost? Guess there's not much we can do about it now. Now, the competition attracts the best fighters around. If you go out of bounds, you lose, so be careful.
Okay, go. Now it's time to test our strength. Fight your hardest in the
You can learn how to play the game and practice techniques.
If you equip Z items, you can really become stronger in a hurry.
You can sell Z.
You can create your own.
You can set up.
There's also an... All right, I'll give it my all in this ranking challenge.
You can have all sorts.
Long ago, 7 magic Dragon Balls were forged. Would summon a dragon to This is the story of those whose lives were touched by the Dragon Balls.
Hey, you came! What do you say? My friends and I have plenty of experience with intense fighting. Well then, choose us an... Okay, let's try the next one. All right, a story event makes the story advance. I don't know what's going on. Well, if you clear a story event, you can read... There might be hidden story events even I don't know. So, you should try to beat all the events. In other words, get into the spirit and which story event will you start your adventure from? Got it? The next one's the last one. Which game level will you play? All right, we'll try it together.
Time and again, Goku and his friends have successfully defended the Earth from powerful villains. But now, the first to arrive was Raditz, and following close behind was Vegeta. The countdown to the Day of Destiny has begun. 5 peaceful years, but now an evil new menace has cast its shadow over.
Shit, you're not Kakarot.
Who are you? Tell me. What? His power is...
Can Piccolo withstand this mysterious invader's monstrous onslaught?
Ready? Fight! Going down!
Idiot. Idiot.
Impossible!
What? Idiot.
Impossible!
Idiot. Idiot.
You'll pay for that! Finish!
The mighty Piccolo was helpless before.
There's another launch power level.
Impossible!
Why has this dark stranger come to Earth?